I can say the most complicated part of bathroom. Already. No. Let's say this thing nearly finished, works. Magic drawer. For me looks good. Gap as plus minus equal, maybe not total equal, but I have some adjustment from the bottom. It should be like a 2 dimensions adjustment. Right now I have only 1, so this is like a hidden runners. From top you can see that this you can see it right now, but later on when you feed the wall it's too tight, too narrow to see anything on the bottom, so it's okay. I still have to think if I have to remove like a remove this like a soft close mechanism, because it's not working properly in this case. It works properly, but it's not necessary in this case. So like that. How I made the worktop, countertop. I made a movie video, so if anybody are interested, you can see it. If anybody are interested, I can prepare like a more detailed video how I arrange it, how I build it. And if anybody will be interested, I will do it. If not, maybe I prepare something like shorter. But no, I not decide yet if I replace the runners for push to open. Like I said earlier, this soft close mechanism not working as I want in this case, so I have to disengage it or just replace the runners. So maybe I replace the runner for push to open, or prepare kind of mechanism will be which will opening this drawer just by push the button or whatever I want. But for me it looks okay. I hope maybe it will be inspiring for anybody. If anybody have a better idea than like a open but by mechanism, or like a just push to open runners, maybe, who knows, some bright idea, just leave me a comment. And of course, if anybody wants to see the more detailed video how I build it with like a measuring and everything, also leave a comment.